Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react sa pinakabagong cover song ng paboritong banda ng bayan, Franz Rhythm guys. Kakaiba yung atake nila ngayon guys. Punky yung kanilang tutugtugin. Ito yung cover song nila ng Play That Punky Music female version. Ayan, si Char ang kakanta dito. Ayan, huwag na natin pagtagalin pa. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react. Umpisa pa lang guys. Alam mo ng plakado, grabe. Kuha nila sa intro. Grabe, ang ganda ng tunog ng gitara ni Master Chen. Pati yung keyboard ni ni Char. Syempre pati yung drums at bass guitar ni Tatay Franz. Punky talaga yung music nila ngayon. Got to start your feeling so long. I decided quickly. Yes, I did. Let's go down and check out the show. Yeah, they were dancing and singing and moving to the groove. Syempre hindi mawawala yung blending nila guys. Yung kanilang napakalupit na harmony dito. And just when it hit me, somebody turn around and shout and play that funky music, white boy. Play that funky music, right. You know, ang lupit ni Char. Play that funky music, white boy. Play that again, play that funky. Ayun guys, nakita nyo yun, yung palo ni Dudes na yun. Nakaiba, no? Pasabog tong cover na to guys. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito kaganda talaga tong punky version nila na to. Grabe, ang lupit. How could I be so foolish? How could I? Did not say I was you on the high. So still I kept on fighting. Yeah. Well, hindi lang talaga pang-rock ang Franz Rhythm guys. Kahit anong genre kaya nila mag-adjust. Ang hirap ng ginagawa ni Char kumakanta, nag-keyboard, tapos parang ang hirap pa ng pyesa na tinutugtog niya. Ayun, meron pala silang edit dito. Ayan. Yung maliit na screen si Master Chen sa gitara. Ayun, no, may bagsakan pa. Ayan na guys, ito na. Ito na iniintay natin. Yung pasabog ni Master Chen. Ayan na, pinangawa na yung kanyang gitara guys. Ano masabi nyo doon guys sa adlib ni Master Chen? Changing rock and roll and minds. Yeah, things were getting shaky. panoorin yung palo ni Dudes.
Behind. But now it's so much better. It's so much better. I'm funking out in every way. But I'll never lose that feeling.
Pati si Tatay Franz, ganado, no? Nakakaindak naman talaga yung ganitong tugtugan, punky.
No, I won't. Of how I learned my lessons that day. When they were dancing and singing and moving to the groove and just when it hit me, somebody turned around and shouted, "Play the funky music, white boy."
Itong kagandahan sa sa banda Franz Rhythm, talagang lagi sila nagle-level up pagdating sa genre ng music, talagang level up lagi sila.
Play the funky music, right? Play the funky music, white boy. Ladies and the grooving, play the funky music, till you die.
Tsaka feeling ko may naiba na naman sa nila, sa setup ng tunog nila. Mas luminis pa lalo yung kanilang tunog.
Oh, till you die, yeah. Come on, let's go. Play the funky music. Play the funky music. Play the funky music. Got to keep on playing funky music. Play the funky music. Play the funky music, baby.
Taas ng boses ni Char, no?
Funky music. Come on, take you higher. Play the funky music, white boy.
Kaya nag-change key sila dito, guys. Mas tinaas pa nila.
Play that funky music, right? Yeah. Play that funky music, white boy. Lay down the groove and play that funky music.
Grabe yun.
Yeah.
Ang lupit.
Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching, guys. Rock and roll.
Guys, nasurpresa din ba kayo, guys, sa nilabas na cover ng paboritong banda ng bayan? Grabe, nagulat ako dito sa napakalupit nilang performance. Ayan, guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa paboritong banda ng bayan, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Supportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga napakalupit na cover song, pati mga original song nila. Guys, panoorin nyo rin. Ang gaganda nun. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating reaction video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.